Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos and sometimes tattoo related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to do kind of a vlog style video. I will be filming packing up the Patreon rewards for this month. I will also be sharing with you some new products I have in my shop. And my plan is to film at the tattoo studio. I have a pretty big tattoo coming up this weekend and I thought it would be fun to film the process or parts of the process. I'm not sure how much I will be able to film. When I'm tattooing, I'm pretty focused on tattooing, but I will try to insert some clips from the tattoo shop as well. I recently did a shop update. By the time this video goes up, the new products will be up in my shop, and I wanted to share with you guys some of the products that I added to my shop. So first off, new sticker sheets. These are cats in hats sticker sheets. I made these illustrations because I thought it would be a really cool and cute idea. They are printed on vinyl, they are waterproof, and they are in limited quantities, so everything in the shop update is quite in a limited quantity, so make sure you grab them if you do want to. I also included some new notepads. These have cat illustrations on both the front cover and the back cover, and they have dotted pages inside. They have a copper spiral and they are A6 in size. Again, very limited quantities, but I think they are super cute for writing down ideas or journaling or whatever you're into. I also added some new acrylic chains. These are with a wild cat illustration. I do believe it's a cheetah or something like that. Yeah, I think they're cute and I really like doing acrylic chains. All of these products have been rewards on my Patreons or are rewards on my Patreon. So you can get them there if you become a Patreon, or you can get them from my shop. I also added 2 die cut sticker sets. So this is the first one. It's printed on sticker paper. It comes with 4 stickers and they are like tattoo flash designs, which I turned into stickers. So there will be this set, and I also have a holographic sticker set which comes with this cat illustration, bird illustration, and this kind of dome abstract thing. So they are all holographic glitter stickers, and this set comes with all 3 stickers and you can get it in my shop. So these are all the new products in my shop. If you're interested, I will leave a link to my shop somewhere on the screen and in the description box. And I wanted to show you guys some of the Patreon rewards that I will be packing for the month of February. This sticker sheet will be going out as a Patreon reward as well. And I also wanted to include a Romanian tradition in this month's package. So I included Mărțișoare, which is a Romanian tradition where on the 1st of March, women receive a lapel pin with this white and a red string. It's supposed to signify the beginning of spring. It's supposed to mean love and peace, and it's kind of a Romanian thing, and I thought it would be fun to include it for my patrons so that they are part of the tradition. So I have a bunch of different designs that I painted quite a while ago, and I decided to turn them into mărțișoare. I will also be including the new tarot card for this month. The tarot card is the Hermit. So on my Patreon, each month you get a new tarot card to complete your deck. So far, I think we have like 15 tarot cards. So if you want to join my Patreon, you will receive all the cards from the previous months and the one from this month as well. So you can start collecting them. So yeah, this is the tarot card. I think it's super cute. They are all cat themed, of course. And also mini original paintings will be going out to my higher tier patrons. These are the cats in hats original illustrations, which will be going out to patrons. So this is basically everything I have new and everything I am preparing today. You will see me pack up the Patreon rewards. I will put on some music and just vibe and pack up everything. This is one of the most relaxing activities I can do as an illustrator. And on Sunday I will be going and tattooing. If you're curious about my tattoo journey, I have a separate Instagram which is called Anca Pora Inc, where you can follow my tattoo journey and see all the tattoos I have done. It's been going pretty good. From each month to another, I feel that my business is growing, which is kind of the main focus I had. So each month I get new clients and they all seem pretty content with the work I do. I've met really cool people and I'm hoping they will return as clients because they are just really cool people. So I hope you enjoyed this type of video. There won't be any drawing in it. I have a lot of designs I need to prepare for tattooing, so I haven't really had time to paint, but I'm planning to get some new art supplies, which I will be reviewing in the future on my channel. So if you're interested in anything I have described to you, then please keep watching the video. Thank you so much for being here, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!